packing fuel in our
Oh, hurry, we're good.
60-gallon fuel tank. No power steering in this machine.
We got the clearance.
Shake roof for the bean shed. Tony and Dick are putting on the shakes. Run today.
We had a lot of fun today. You don't get to go cruising around one of these too often.
This is a Lombard logging sled, and Terry's showing how the binding chains are installed. Byron made these beautiful chains for us.
He did such a great job of it. We put a log on. This goes around. This hooks. Then we have this hook. It goes on like this, and it locks it. And we have 4 of these, they're corner chains. And I can't believe Byron made these, they look fantastic. Those are great. See? Byron, right there.